Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to simplify x square y cube by x power minus 1 times y power 4 whole square is what? So let's simplify this. So we are going to use exponent problem here. To use exponent formula, that is x power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So x power 2 times y power 3 by x power minus 1 times by y power 4 whole power 2. So we can write x power 2 minus minus 1 times y power 3 minus 4 whole power 2. So x power 2 plus 1 times y power 3 minus 4 whole square. So x power 3 times y power minus 1 whole square. So we can write it as x power 3 by y whole square. According to exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So x power 3 times 2 by y power 2 is equals to x power 6 by y power 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.